Adam here from the Tint Academy Canada. We're here in Manila with Avery Dennison and Infinity Autoworks, training customers how to use their window tint products on every kind of sedan, truck, SUV, and car. All the way down through the back window. So we get natural flat line, factory edge to factory edge. What does it look like I just created? 1 quadrant, 2 quadrants, 3 quadrants. So Avery Dennison we found is one of the easiest films to cut, shrink, and install. While we're using it for our window tint installation courses, the practitioners had an easy way learning with this film. It also looks really awesome on the cars once it's installed. And with my personal experience, it has the longest lasting effect with its ceramic heat rejection benefits, and the shade doesn't fade or peel away over a long period of time. So we're working with Infinity Autoworks and Avery Dennison here in the Philippines because they have the largest reach and they supply one of the best products in the Philippines. Our goal is to increase the standards across the country while teaching this course to window tint installers and wrappers. We found that Avery Dennison and Infinity Autoworks aligns with what we want to teach these clients. So we want to invite everybody to join Infinity Autoworks, Avery Dennison, and New Care's training with Tint Academy Asia to join our wrapping, PPF, and window tint courses here in Manila.